In this video, we will try to understand how we can solve the Sudoku puzzle. So this is the Sudoku puzzle that we will try to solve in this video. First of all, you can see here we have the main block, and inside this main block we have 9 sub blocks, as you can see here: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8 and 9. And you can see inside each block we have digits. So we have digits from 1 to 9, and for example in this block you can see we have digits present 1, 2, 4, 9, and missing digits are 3, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we need to fill the missing digits in each block, but the condition is we cannot repeat the same digit in the same row or in the same column. For example, we have 2 present here in the fourth block. You can see we have 2, but 2 is missing in the first 7. Now we cannot repeat the same digit in the same row or in the same column, or we cannot repeat the same digit in the horizontal or in the vertical direction. So we cannot place 2 in the first block in here in the second column. So we have digits and blocks, and we need to fill the blocks with the missing digits, and the condition is we cannot repeat the same digit in the same row or in the same column. Now let's try to understand how we can solve this puzzle. First of all, as you can see here, we have 9 digits, 9 blocks, and inside each block again we have 9 sub blocks. First we will check the blocks where 1 is already present. So as you can see, 1 is already present in the first, second, fifth, fourth and in the 8th block. And here in the red color you can see the blocks where we need to fill 1. In the 7th block you can see we have just one location where we can place 1, this one. In the 9th block, here you can see we have 2 locations, this one and this one. But as we already placed 1 in the 7th block, so in this row we cannot place 1, so we have just one location, this one. For 6th block, again you can see here we have one location, so place 1 here. Now for 3rd block we have 2 locations, but as we already placed 3 in the 9th block, so in the same column we cannot place the digit, so here we have just one location, this one. Now we will place 2. So first check the blocks where 2 is already present. So it is already present in the 4th, 5th, 6th and 8th, 9th block. Now remaining blocks you can see we have 1, 2, 3 and 7. So first of all you can see in the 7th block we have just one location, place 2 here, and in the 3rd block again we have one location, place 2 here, and now in the 2nd block we have 2 locations, but as we already placed 2 in the 3rd block, so we cannot repeat the same digit in the same row, so we will place in this location. And for first block we can place 2, here we have 3 locations, but as we already placed 2 in the 2nd block, so we cannot repeat the digit in the same row, so here we have just one location. Now we have 3, so first check the blocks where 3 is already present, and it is present in the 4th, 7th, 8th, 9th. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 5th block where we need to fill 3. So here you can see in the 5th block we have just one location, place 3 here. Now in the first block again we have one location, place 3 here. Now here in the 6th block you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 3 location, but we cannot place 3 here as we already placed 3 in the 5th block, so we cannot repeat the same digit in the same row, so we will place 3 here. Now for the 3rd block we have 2 location, but we will place 3 here as we cannot repeat the same digit in the same column. Now place 4, check where 4 is already present, here you can see, and now we have to fill the blocks with 3, that is 4, 7, 6 and 9. So here you can see in the 9th block we have just 1 location, in the 6th block we have 2 location, but as we already placed 4 in the 9th block, so we cannot repeat the same digit in the same column, so here we have 1 location just. Now for 4th block again we have 1 location, and now for this one, remaining one is this one. Now place 5. So first check the blocks where 5 is already present, and then you can see we have the remaining blocks where we need to fill the 5, 1st, 5th, 3rd and 7th block. In the 7th block we have 1 location, in the 3rd block again we have 1 location, so place the digit here. Again in the 5th block we have 1 location, place the digit here. In the 1st block we have 1, 2 location, but as you can see in the 7th block it is already present, so we cannot repeat the digit, so we have just 1 location. Like that for the 6th digit, first check where it is already present. As you can see we have to fill the block 1, 5, 3 and 9. As you can see in the 8th block we have just 1 location, and in the 5th block again we have 1 location, in the 3rd block again 1 location, and again we have 1 location in the 1st block. Now for 7 we have to fill 2nd, 5, 8 and 7. So here for the 7th block just we have 1 location, and for 8th block we have 1 location. For 5th block again we have 1 location, this one, and for this one again we have 1 location, and you can see no digit is repeating. Now we will fill 8, so check where 8 is already present, and here we need to fill 7, 5, 6 and 1. For 7th block you can see we have just 1 location, this one. For 5th block again we have 1 location, this one, and for this again we have 1 location, this one. Now for 9th digit we have to fill block number 9, 2nd block and 3rd block. You can see in the 2nd block we have just 1 location, this one. In the 3rd block we have 1 location, this one. In the 9th block we have 1 location, this one. You can see we solved this puzzle. Now we will check whether it is accurate or not. So here we will check all the digits in the rows. So here we have certain ways we can check whether it is accurate or not. First we will check the digits in the row. So here in the first row you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. All 9 digits are present. Now in the first column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now let's check this one. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All digits are present. So here you can see. So another way you can see, in the first block we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In the 5th block 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the 9th block we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can see we solved this puzzle. So that's all about this video. If you have any question you can comment below, and thanks for watching this video.